Hey guys and gals, this is James over at Golden Arrow Classics, bringing you a really rare car today, and a really nice one too. 1971 Ford Torino GT convertible, red, white interior, laser stripes, 351 4-barrel, automatic car, bench seat. Originally from High Point, North Carolina, about 15 minutes away from my shop. Beautiful car and an excellent driver. We're going to do a little cold start for you. I just pushed it out of the shop because I had it nosed up against the door. Absolutely beautiful car, super cool. You're never going to see yourself coming or going with this one. Nice set of Cooper Cobras on it, Magnum 500s. I'll even leave the Ford drag team license plate on it that I put on there for y'all. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. All right, there she is, folks. 351 Cleveland, 4-barrel. I just put on an Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor. The original Autolite comes with it. We went through the Autolite, it still leaked fuel, and from what I understand, they're pretty notorious for that. Beautiful car. It's got a nice set of aluminum Ford Motorsports valve covers on it. Power steering, power brake. She is super cool, folks. Right. Let's see how she does today, and I'll just show you too. I just pushed her out. I don't have my handy dandy gun with me today, but if it was hot, I'd be burning by now. All right, let's give her the beans and fire her up. She's on the choke. Probably about 1,200 RPM, be my guess. Maybe 13. I do have the original steering wheel for the car. It does have a few cracks in it. Between me and you and the fence post, I've never liked the steering wheels on these cars. So this is a Grant. It's nothing really fancy, but it definitely looks better than the original. Again, she is a GT car. It does have the 80s vintage Jensen bass boost. Nice thing about that though is nobody's cut the dash up. She's got two speakers down there, one down there. They both work. Don't be expecting some massive stereo system, but it puts out sound, and that's what counts. Beautiful back seat. Really nice top on this car, which I've got detailed in the pictures for it. Focus in again. Great. That's probably around 800 RPM. The doors shut real nice on this car. Car shows 78,083 miles. I'm on the fence on this one. I don't know if that's 178 or 78. Judging by the pedals in the car, I honestly believe it's a 78,000 mile car, and it is a local car. This is the one that you can put your wife and kids in and go to the local car shows, cruise ins, ice cream shop, whatever you want to do. I've been driving it a lot. I actually took it to a Cars and Coffee event yesterday, and it drives excellent. It stops excellent, and it steers excellent. So again, thank you very much for your time today, and should you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is James. This is Golden Arrow Classics. There's the phone number. Email is jchase@goldenarrowclassics.com. Really do appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.